back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today's recipe is a very summery, summer, whatever you call it, type of recipe. It's how to make strawberry ice cream, and not just any strawberry ice cream. It's honestly the best strawberry ice cream you can make in your house. It's super yummy. And the best thing is I'm going to explain how to make it in your ice cream maker if you have one, or if you don't have one, don't worry, don't go frantic. I'll show you how to make it without a machine so you can enjoy the recipe with or without the machine. So let's start making our ice cream. The ingredients you need to make your strawberry ice cream are 2.5 cups of chopped strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so I'm going to give you the recipe of how to make your super yummy strawberry ice cream. But before I continue, here in Switzerland you can find the heavy cream in 2 versions. This one's a whole heavy cream, which is the Vollbraum, and then there's a lighter version, which would be the Halbraum. Either one of these will work perfectly for your ice cream. So just in case you need that for anyone who lives where I'm living in this part of the world. And okay, the next part is we're going to pour our strawberries and our sugar into a nice big bowl. And we're going to mash them with your potato masher, bean masher, whatever you have. We're going to mash it really, really well. You want all those juices and the sugar to really mix. The sugar is going to help the strawberries release all those yummy juices. So that's the first part. Once you've mashed your strawberries well, you're going to add all the other ingredients, which are the heavy cream, the milk, the vanilla extract, and the salt. You're going to add them in there, and with a whisker, you're just going to mix well. You have to mix really well. And basically that's it. We're going to go to the next step now. Okay, so our strawberry recipe is done. Here comes the fun part. I'm going to divide the recipe in 2 parts. One part I'm going to put in the machine, and the other part I'm going to put in this bowl, which I've had in the freezer for quite a few hours, for the people who don't have a machine, because you're going to need to do it this way. So for the people who do have a machine, what you do is, the recipe is exactly the same for any type of machine you have, so this is your basic strawberry recipe. What you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions of your machine. Each machine has different instructions, so that's going to be up to you guys. You're going to have to read the instructions and follow those. For those of you who don't have a machine and are going to be using the bowl method, you're going to pour your mixture into the bowl, and you're going to cover it with plastic film. You're going to put it in your freezer, and you're going to leave it in there for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you take it out, you take off the film, and you're going to give it a whisk. The reason that you're going to be doing this is you want to break down the ice crystals, otherwise your ice cream is going to be super hard. So you cover it again, you put it in the freezer, and you're going to do this about 4 to 5 times. This is just to ensure that you have a really nice, smooth ice cream, that it's not going to be creamy because you want a hard texture, but you want an ice cream that when you pass the scoop over it, it comes off really easily. It just rolls in there. It's perfect, and this is what this ice cream is going to do. So if you follow my instructions, you're going to have the best strawberry ice cream ever. So let's start making our ice cream. Is finished. I left mine overnight, like that it gets more into the real ice cream texture. If you make the machine version, since it has a cooling, the machine cools it down extremely well. It really goes to freezing point. That one, as soon as it's in the freezer a couple of hours, you can enjoy it, you can eat it. The hand mixed one, it's still softer because it wasn't exposed to such cold temperatures like the machine one. So this one will be mushier. It'll be kind of like a very melted milkshake, so it's not really ice cream texture yet. That one you can't eat straight away. But well, this is how the machine mixed one looks. It looks a bit smoother when I pressed it into the ice cream container. And this is the hand mixed one. Not much difference, but you can see a bit more roughness to it. But the cool thing about this ice cream is it doesn't matter if you made it in the machine or if you hand whisked it. They are both just as soft and just as easy to scoop out, and the flavor is super, super yummy. I honestly promise you it's the best strawberry ice cream you've ever had. And haven't had breakfast yet, just got up, but this is gonna be my breakfast. I'm allowed to have a guilty pleasure. So I'm gonna scoop out a portion of the machine one. So this is how the machine ice cream looks. And let's get crazy and get one from the other one also. As you can see, it comes out just as easily. And once it's in the bowl, you can't tell which is which. This one was the hand whisked one. And now, let's just make sure I did this properly. I love strawberry ice cream. One of my guilty pleasures when we go out to eat, especially to burger places, is if they have milkshakes, I love having the strawberry milkshake. So just a quick and super lazy suggestion is if you have this ice cream at home, just scoop some into a nice tall glass, pour some milk in there with a tall spoon, give it a quick shake so it melts in there, and you have a super fast, super yummy strawberry milkshake. It's really good. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and it's honestly the best strawberry ice cream you're gonna have. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.